Folks, first hole of the day, 2 kg 6 pennies. One looks like a 41, I think, and this one, I'm not sure. Sorry about the wind, it's really windy today, crazy wind. Cold too. Okay, it's a good way to start. First plug, 2 kg 6 pennies. Nice. See you on the next. Okay, well, just right there, so it was actually a 4 penny spill. There was 2 there just right off to the side. 2 more kg 6 pennies, so that's 4 kg 6 pennies right off the hop. Awesome. Good way to start the day. Catch you on the next. Sorry about the wind. Alright, sorry, make that 5 pennies. And this one looks like a kg 5. Alright, 5 penny spill. I'll have to scan again, just make sure there's nothing else. And this one is a kg 5. Sweet. Looks like it's nice shape, nice patina. Alright, so far a 5 penny spill to start the day and a kg 5. Catch you on the next. Wow, look at that, folks. That is cool. Look at that old buckle. Man, that is one old looking buckle. Sorry about any wind. Nice patina on that too. Beauties. Look at that. Sweet. Sweet, sweet. Alright. Carry on and we'll catch you on the next, folks. See ya. Alright, cool. Get some pennies. Let's see if we can't get a silver. Okay, first weedy of the day. Looks like a 30 something. Alright, let's see what else we can get. It's a young Elizabeth. Quarter. Nice. Nice. Looks like a 56. Or a 59. I can't tell. Cool though. Alright. Got silver. Cool. Alright. We will catch you on the next. See ya. Okay, getting a lot of George pennies. There's a 44. Now let's see if we can't get another silver to go with all these pennies. Catch you on the next, folks. It's windy, but there's silver number 2. Oh. Oh, it's a Vicky. Hey, it's a worn Vicky. Wow. Is that ever slick? Is that ever slick? Can just barely make a Vicky on the back. Woo! Wicked. A Vicky die. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Sweet. Alright. Wow, that's shiny. Get back to you. Alright folks, just got my second kg 5 penny. Looks like a 1933 in really good shape. Awesome. Oh yeah, nice patina on this guy. Very cool. Alright, awesome. Catch you on the next. Okay folks, sorry about the wind, but we just got our second coin spill of the day. 2 kg 6 pennies and a young Lizzie dime. Third silver of the day. Got my quota. Awesome. Come on. Focus in. Sorry about that wind, it is getting crazy out. Crazy, crazy. Man doesn't want to focus. Too bright. Okay. Sorry about that wind. There she is. Okay, we'll catch you on the next one. Okay, folks, just got a little religious St. Christopher pendant. Cool. Okay. Getting some interesting finds today. Catch you on the next. Getting real ugly out, folks. The rain is coming down. The rain is coming down. Man, it is getting ugly out. I'll have to work my way out. Wow, is it ever getting ugly? The trees are swaying. I'm gonna get out of here. Alright, we will see you later. Alright folks, this could be the last coin of the day. It looks like a 1943 KG6 penny. It's getting ugly out. Okay, we'll catch you on the wrap up probably, unless I find something. I'm walking my way out. Okay folks, the truck is just through there. We're almost back at the truck, but I got a good signal and it looks like it could be a quarter. Oh yes, it's an oldie. 1919. Sweet. Right beside the trail. Oh, that's in good shape. I'll wait till I get home. Just got some rain on it. Sweet. What a way to end the day. What a way to end the day. Try to get some more of that water. Oh well. Look at that. 1919. Beauties. Wicked. Alright, nice way to just pouring out. That is so cool. Woohoo! Alright. We will catch you on the next. Well, I am soaked, folks. What a wet, soggy day. But it was a good one. 4 silvers. Woohoo! Alright. Man, that's 31 silvers in the last 6 days. That is crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Alright, well, time to head home. We will catch you on the next one. See you when I get home to do the wrap up. Alright folks, well, we're going to do a little wrap up from today's crazy weather hunt. Man, it was a crazy day out there. The wind was howling. Probably going to be a lot of wind noise in the video. I haven't checked it yet. I'm just doing the wrap up. But yeah, what a day. What a day, what a day, what a day. We did get one Lizzie penny today, a 1965. Nothing special. We did get this religious pendant. I'm not sure what it's made out of. It doesn't say anything. St. Christopher's Project, U.S. Catholic, in case of accident or illness, kindly notify a priest. Not sure what it's made out of. Kind of cool. We got 12 KG6 pennies from 1942 up to 1950. We got 2 Wheaties, a 1935 and a 1946. We got this really cool buckle. Man, it was deep. It was deep. Some of you buckle guys maybe know what kind of buckle this is. Kind of looks like a Batman buckle. It's old though. It's old. Very cool. Very cool. Brass, I'm assuming. The pin's worn off. Probably iron. We got 2 really great shape 1933 KG5 pennies. I don't want to focus. There it is. Or 1933 I should say pennies. Really good shape. Yeah, I cleaned them up with a toothpick. Nice patina on that one. And this one, they weren't actually, the first one there was in the 5 coin spill. Right off the hop. And this one was by itself at the other end of the park, 1933. Really good shape as well. Both of these turned out really nice shape. KG 5 pennies. That's for silver. We got a 1957 Young Lizzie dime. A little bit of a nice shine on her there. Really nice shine on it, actually. And we got a super slick Vicky dime. You can see a little bit of the writing at the top. This other side is slick. Can't really make out much of anything on this side. Totally slick. And we got a nice 1956 quarter. Come on, focus for me. Just trying. It's kind of dull in here. It's not going to do it. Being difficult. There she is. Gotta almost make sure you can't see anything past it. 1956 quarter, and we got this smoking great shape. Great shape. 1919 kg 5 quarter. Man, that's in good shape. Must have been dropped fairly new. Alright, what a hunt. Got soaked, but it was worth it. Another multiple silver day. Multiple coin spills. Alright, what a day.